Hey guys, welcome again to another video. This time, I'm going to show you how I withdraw my money from my Odesk account. Odesk is where I work. It's where I get work from actually. It's an online job marketplace wherein there are a lot of jobs you can apply to, which are all online jobs. So, because I get a lot of questions about Odesk, unfortunately I cannot answer you one by one because there are a lot. Like my whole rest day is not enough to answer all your questions. So I'm gonna try to answer some of the questions, or probably do another video about that in the future. But anyway, for now, I just wanna show you guys how I get my money. Because one of the top questions I get is if Odesk is legit. Yes, it is legit. There are people who are not legit. There are clients who are not legit, but Odesk itself is legit. So just be careful or mindful of the clients that you apply to. So let's first of all, this is not to brag. I just wanna inspire people out there who are thinking of shifting to online jobs. So let's head on over to my desktop so that I can show you how to get money from Odesk. Okay, I'm just gonna log in. By the way, today is Wednesday and we get our pay every Wednesday. I get mine every 2 weeks, but you can get yours weekly. So if you can see from here, this is my this is my available money which I can get now. So let's go ahead and withdraw this. Okay, so you just need to click on this. As you can see, there's a $1 Odesk fee, but that's okay. So from 452.25, I now have 451.25, which will be sent to my PayPal account, which is my registered email. Let's go ahead and just click on get paid now. There, we're done. And it only takes a few seconds and you should be able to see that on your PayPal account. So let's go ahead and log into my PayPal account. Sorry, my computer is really slow. Hello. Computer. There. Oh, sorry. Mali ako ng password. No. There. Okay. So it's still loading. Let's wait for it. Because I really have a slow computer since I only use this for work. So I did. Oh, there. So as you can see, it's already here. Payment from Odesk Corporation, which is 451.25. But my total balance is 475.83 because I don't withdraw all my money. Because when I shop online, I use my PayPal account. For example, here I shopped at Metro Deal. So I like paying using PayPal because I don't like paying using my debit card because for security purposes. But sometimes when I book flights, I have no choice but to use my debit card. So anyway, we need to convert this to our local currency, which is, in my case, it's Philippine peso since I'm in the Philippines. From US dollar to how much? I'm gonna withdraw 450 to Philippine peso. Let's see how much is the... Oh, it's a little high today. $1 is equivalent to 43.4725. That's a really good rate because sometimes it's just 42, 41. There's even a time like 2 years ago that it was 39. But now it's 43.4725. So my total pay in pesos is 19,562.66. So just click on continue and exchange currency. Now that that's in peso, we need to withdraw it to my local bank, which is, in my case, it's Union Bank. Just click on withdraw. Withdraw funds to your bank account. It takes 2 to 4 business days, but in my experience, I've been with Odesk for 4 years. It usually takes just 2 days. So if I withdraw it, like today is Wednesday, by Friday night at around 7 p.m., it's in my ATM already. So just click on this, the one that we exchanged to peso. 19,562.66. There's gonna be no fee if it's more than 7,000. So it's free to transfer it to our bank account. Yeah, to our ATM or bank account. Union Bank, just make sure everything's correct, because if it's not correct, it will be returned to the PayPal to your PayPal account, and there's a fee of 250 pesos. So make sure everything's correct. Then click on submit. There, it's gonna be, it's going to say that it's being processed. So I usually like to view details of my withdrawal request just to be sure everything's okay. There, see fee amount is 0 because it's more than 7,000 pesos. So today is January 14th, Wednesday. By Friday at night, like I said, it's gonna be at my Union Bank debit card already. There. It's gonna say the payment status is pending. Just don't worry about that. It's gonna be processed automatically. So that's it on how we get our pay from Odesk. So it's like there's two processes. You withdraw it from Odesk to your PayPal, and then from your PayPal account to your local bank account. So thanks again for watching, guys. But before I go, or before I end this video, I have an important announcement for my Filipino viewers. So I'm just gonna speak to Tagalog after by this point already. But to my international viewers, thanks again for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. But for my Filipino viewers, stay tuned, because eto nga, I have an important announcement for you guys. So, ang dami ko kasing nare-receive na questions about Odesk na nagpapatulong gumawa ng account or kung paano mag-apply or whatever. Sorry po, hindi ko kayo nasasagot isa-isa kasi sobrang dami nyo. Kulang po talaga yung off ko. Usually Mondays po ako nag-go off, 1 day lang. Or Sunday, Monday, kasi Sunday, church day ko yon, at saka it's a day where I go out with my special someone. So Monday talaga yung off ko. Or sometimes Saturday din. Basta ang gulo. Ganun naman talaga pag online. You can choose kung anong araw ka nag-go off. So, yun nga. Kulang po yung off ko kung sasagutin ko kayo isa-isa. So, I decided na I'm gonna hold workshops for you guys. And don't worry, it's just gonna be a minimal fee para lang po maano yung time ko, makompensate. Kasi, syempre, time is very important. As much as I want to make it free, kaya lang sobrang dami naman po, kawawa naman po ako, diba? Sobrang minimal fee lang siya and pwede po siyang i-divide. And the workshop will be held at your place. Kunyari po, maximum of 5 per workshop po siya. So let's say, every month, it's gonna be held every Monday. You can book me para pumunta sa inyong place. What you can do is, kunyari may mga friends kayong interested din, so pwede silang pumunta sa place nyo. So kunyari 5 kayo, kasi maximum 5 para talagang matutukan ko kayo isa-isa, kasi pag sobrang dami hindi ko naman kayo matututukan masyado. So let's say this is just an example, hindi pa naman finalized. Kunyari ang fee is 1,500. Kung 5 kayo, pwede nyo kang paghati-hatian nyo 1,500. So, 300 lang kayo. And it's gonna be probably a 4-hour workshop na i-guide ko kayo on making the account, tips on applying, at saka may coaching na rin. And then we're gonna titingnan natin yung mga available jobs on that day. And then, i-coach ko kayo kung anong dapat sabihin sa mga applyan. Huwag nyo lang ako asahan masyado sa English kasi I'm not really great with English. Pero, naiintindihan naman nila ako, kaya kinukuha pa rin nila ako. And like I said, I've been with Otesk for 4 years. I started at 2011 after graduating from college. So, nag-decide ako na maging freelancer or online. Mag-work online. So, yun nga. I'm gonna finalize the workshop. I'll probably start that by February or March. Kasi gagawa rin ako ng booklet so that yung workshop natin, you can, ang tawag dyan, makafollow kayo kung nasaan na. And then, kung may makalimutan kayo, yung booklet na yun, pwede nyo i-check ulit. Gagawan ko yun ng mga screenshots, lahat ng tips, everything. So, ang dami ko kailangan gawin. So, i-finalize ko muna yung workshop na yan. In the meantime, just add me up. Add me on Facebook. It's just search for Mart Lester, or at Instagram at Mart_Lester for future announcements. Announcement? Announcement. Oh, basta. Announcement lang ata. Walang S. Tama ba? Anyway, that's it for our video for today. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!